This is how our team of experts at FD Curtains and Blinds Singapore professionally performs the blinds installation process. Step 1. Remove the existing window covers. Our team will carefully take down any old curtains to clear the space for a clean and proper installation. Step 2. Take accurate measurements. We will measure the window's width and height precisely to ensure your new blinds fit perfectly. Step 3. Do the marking. Markings will be made to indicate where the brackets should be mounted, ensuring the blinds are level, centered, and aligned with the window structure. Step 4. Drill the holes. Using the appropriate tools, our team will carefully drill holes at the marked positions to prepare for secure bracket installation. Step 5. Install the brackets. The brackets are firmly installed into the drilled holes using screws, creating a stable foundation to support the blinds. Step 6. Attach the blinds. Once the brackets are in place, the blinds are attached into the brackets and fastened securely to ensure proper alignment and smooth operation. Step 7. Final inspection and testing. The newly installed blinds are carefully inspected and tested to ensure a smooth operation, proper alignment, and full functionality. See the seamless transformation before and after our expert blinds installation service. Are you seeking a hassle-free and professional blinds installation service in Singapore? Message us on WhatsApp at 82410032 to secure your installation slot.